Hi friends, welcome to today's session. I hope all of you are doing well and thank you all for your responses on yesterday. And our quiz question was, which city or place manufactures nearly 50% of PPE kits in India? And it is Bengaluru only. Many of you have commented right answer. So we will move to today's session. First question, with reference to RISE 2020 recently seen in the news, consider the following statements. Statement 1, it is an initiative to find out technological solutions for poverty alleviation in South Asia. And statement 2, it is organized by UNICEF. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So guys, let's see how to answer this question. First we will take first statement. It states that RISE is a poverty alleviation program for South Asia. It seems to be a general statement, right? Poverty alleviation in South Asia altogether needs enormous effort. In that way, it can be a wrong statement. Just put on hold. Now we will move to second statement. It states it is an initiative by UNICEF. So, poverty alleviation in South Asia and UNICEF. This combo seems to be odd, right? UNICEF, we know, is famous for child related development programs. So, we can conclude that any one of this statement is wrong. And I will assume that first statement as wrong statement because one is that it is a very general statement and another is that it does not match with UNICEF. So now we are left with two options only, option B 2 only and option D neither 1 nor 2. Now come back to our question. It is given RISE 2020. So it is an acronym. And you know that our present government is good at framing acronyms for anything. It is not usually done by an international organization. So I assume that it is a program of Government of India. In that way I am making a wild guess and assuming that statement 2 is also wrong and my answer would be option D, neither 1 nor 2. And the correct answer here is option D, neither 1 nor 2 only. See, this is one way of answering this question. You might have applied different logic. So guys, I request you to describe what logic or trick you applied to answer this question if it was an unknown question for you. Please post your modus operandi in the comment section. This may help many among us to answer these types of questions. RISE is responsible AI for social empowerment, that is the expansion of the acronym. It is a global meeting of minds of artificial intelligence to drive India's vision and roadmap for social empowerment, inclusion and transformation through responsible AI. It is India's first artificial intelligence summit to be organized by the government. The summit will be a global meeting of minds to exchange ideas and charter a course to use AI for social empowerment, inclusion, and transformation in key areas like healthcare, agriculture, education, and smart mobility, etc. So, it will facilitate an exchange of ideas. It was scheduled in April but postponed due to COVID. Moving to the second question, Indradhanush is a joint military exercise between India and which among the following? Option A Mongolia, option B Bangladesh, option C United Kingdom, and option D Russia. So the correct answer here is option C United Kingdom. It is a joint military exercise between the air forces of India and the United Kingdom, and the 5th edition of India-UK Joint Air Force Exercise Indradhanush began at Air Force Station in Hindan, which is in Ghaziabad, on 24th February of this year. And now a quick geography revision. It is good if you have your atlas handy. And UK comprises of whole of island of Great Britain, which contains England, Wales and Scotland, as well as the northern portion of island of Ireland. So that is UK, a dream destination for many Indians for no reason. Now let me show few gulfs and bays of Europe. One is Gulf of Riga. It separates Estonia and Latvia in the Baltic Sea. You can see the map. And next is Gulf of Finland. It separates Finland and Estonia in the Baltic Sea. A part of Russia is also in between. And another Gulf in Baltic Sea is Gulf of Bothnia. It separates Sweden and Finland. And then we have very famous English Channel between Britain and France in Atlantic Ocean. Remember, it is in Atlantic Ocean. And then Bay of Biscay in Atlantic Ocean. It separates Spain and France. And then there is Gulf of Lions lies south of the France in the, that is our quiz question for the day. Gulf of Lions is a part of which ocean? So please post your answers in the comment section, guys. And here is the slide for your reference. Please go through it. And last question for the day. Icos Ditos 2020. We can pronounce it in any way. It is an arrangement of alphabets. So Icos Ditas 2020, recently seen in the news, is related to option A, Science and Technology, option B, Conference of Ayush Ministry, option C, Defense Exercise between India and China, and option D, Joint Naval Conference of Indian Ocean Rim Nations. So the correct answer here is option B, Conference of Ayush Ministry. It is an international conference on standardization of diagnosis and terminologies in Ayush held recently in Delhi, and it adopted New Delhi Declaration on Collection and Classification of Traditional Medicine Diagnostic Data, and it is the biggest ever international event dedicated to standardization of diagnosis and terminologies of traditional medicine in terms of the broad level of participation covering countries virtually from all continents. So that's all for today, guys, and please comment the tricks you applied for answering questions and your scores as well as the answer to the quiz question. We will see tomorrow. Thank you for watching.